Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for December 24th of 2025 is titled Mystery: Little Red Dots in the Early Universe. So what do we see here? Well, here we see 6 images of what have become known as LRDs, or little red dots. And these are objects that have been discovered by the James Webb Space Telescope. Now, when you put a powerful telescope out there that is able to see things with more detail than has ever been seen before, you might expect to find new things. And this is one example that has been found by the James Webb Telescope. Here we see 6 objects that just look like dots. But when we actually analyze them, we find that they have a very high redshift. Now, the redshift is here given in the images with the letter Z, which is used for redshift. And the higher value, the faster these are receding from us. And based on our understanding of the expanding universe, the larger the redshift, the farther away an object is. So objects with these large of a redshift date back to the very early part of the universe. So whatever these little red dots were, and nobody knows right now, they existed only in the very early history of the universe and are not around now. So what are they? Well, as I said, nobody knows right now. They've only been discovered just within the last year or so, and hundreds of them are now known. And every time we take deep images with the James Webb Telescope, we seem to find more and more of them. So, of course, astronomers discuss and debate what these might be and what their significance is. So, we could think they might be things like supermassive black holes. Now, you can't see a black hole because it doesn't emit any light. But material spiraling into the black hole gives off a lot of energy because it is accelerated to very high speeds and therefore gives off a lot of energy as it spirals into the black hole. So that could be some kind of black hole within a gas cloud off way in the distance here. It also could be maybe these very distant galaxies, very young galaxies that we're forming, and we're seeing bursts of star formation in them when the galaxies are first forming. Now, why are they so red? Well, the red could then be caused by dust. Intervening dust could block out some of the light, but also would redden the light. And one other explanation is that they could be associated with dark matter, gas clouds that are powered by dark matter, giving off excess energy. Things that we know is that they are giving off a lot of energy. They have to be seen over this great distance. Most objects would not be visible over this distance. The only way we could see them is if they are giving off tremendous amounts of energy. So we know that whatever it is, something associated with very large amount of power. And here we see 6 of these that have been detected. But as I said, there's been hundreds of them. And as astronomers get more and are able to do more measurements on them to try to study them in more detail, we may be able to get a better handle on what they are and how they apply to our understanding of the early universe and how our universe has evolved over time. So that was our picture of the day for December 24th of 2025. It was titled Mystery: Little Red Dots in the Early Universe. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be Meteors Everywhere. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.